To check the site report or geofence report, first you have to log in to your user panel. Second, you just have to go to report section. Come to third option, that is consolidated site and location report. Click on it. One new window will open. In that you can able to see the site data, that is date and time, vehicle name or vehicle number, and location, state also. So this report is showing no data found because as of now no site or no geofence has been created for any of the vehicle. That's why it is showing blank or in no data. If you will create a site for any vehicle or all vehicles, the report will come here in consolidated location and site. This report you can directly export in PDF or in Excel format as well. You can set the 1 week time also and date also to get the report. How to create the geofence? For that, you have to click on tracking and geofence here. A new window will open. Here, password you have to fill. After that, Google Map got open and here you have to fill these details like site name, type, like it is home site or client site or restricted site or others. You can select the type of site here, organization name here, and you can simply add it. Please note that to create the geofence or site for any vehicle, first you should have the Google Map enabled. To enable the Google Map for your profile, kindly contact to your salesperson or our support engineers through support@vamosys.com. Now, how to create the geofence? You have to click here. First, you have to select the Google. After that, this Google page will open. In OSM, you cannot add the geofence or site. What is OSM? OSM is Open State Map developed by Wamo Systems. So if you will click on Google, after that you have to click on this pan option here. You have to give the location name. Suppose I am giving the location name here, it will come, and after that with the help of this pan option you have to mark the site. Just simply click on it first and drag it. A site will be created, and after that you have to enter the site name here, type of site, suppose it is a client site, so I have chosen the client site, organization, and simply you have to click on create. So this geofence or site has been created. Thanks for watching. Once the site got created, you can check the site report from this option in reports, consolidated site and location report. Thanks for watching.